In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to use the RxPhoto gallery pages, how to create a new gallery group, add a gallery, and upload before and after images. You'll see how to add titles and descriptions, and how to save your changes along the way. The RxPhoto gallery lets you use an iframe or WordPress plugin, so we can easily embed the gallery right onto your website. We are looking at what we call gallery groups. You can create as many groups as you want, or just a few. When you select a gallery group, you see the individual galleries inside it. You can have as many galleries as we need. Inside a gallery, before and after images are shown, and we can add a title and a description if we want. If we want to see more details, we can click to enlarge the image for a better view. All gallery settings and updates are handled in RxPhoto. Let's go there now. After logging in, we usually start on the client screen. To manage the galleries, we go to the Galleries tab. Here we see the 3 gallery groups shown on our homepage. Any changes we make in the RxPhoto backend will show up on the gallery landing page. Updates are quickly seen in 30 to 60 minutes. When we select a gallery group, it opens to show the different galleries. Clicking on a gallery lets us see the before and after images. To show thumbnails for gallery groups and galleries, we need to add them. We will show how to do this by making a new group and gallery. Click on the New Group button and give it a title. For this example, we use weight loss. Next, we add a thumbnail image by clicking the Edit button. We can pick from the available stock images or upload our own photo by clicking the Upload Custom Photo button. Now, let's upload our chosen photo. Click to select the photo, then Open and Save. The image for the thumbnails must be in JPEG or PNG format. If we need to change the gallery group settings, just click on these 3 buttons. Select Gallery Group Settings and make the changes needed. Remember to press the Save button when finished. Now, let's add a gallery to the Weight Loss group. Make sure Weight Loss is selected, then click on the 3 buttons and select Add Gallery. We name this gallery Women, and then press Save. Now we see that our Women gallery group has been created. Let's add a thumbnail. Click on the 3 buttons, select Gallery Settings, and then click Edit for the gallery thumbnail. Again, we can use the stock images or upload our own photo. For this example, we upload a photo called Weight Loss 2. Open Save. Sometimes there may be an error message. If this happens, refresh the page and open Gallery Settings again. We will see that our thumbnail has been saved. Now, let's add some before and after pictures to the gallery. Start by clicking on Add Photos to Gallery under the Women section. We can upload photos from our client records or directly from our device. First, we will add photos from the client record. Make sure this option is selected, then press Next and find our client. In this example, we use a new client. When we enter the client photos, we can upload single images or pair 2 images together. We will add image pairs. Select 2 photos and add them as an image pair. It's important to make sure we are in the correct gallery. For this example, we need to be under the Women category. Then press C. We can also add a title to our image pair. Now, if we go to the Weight Loss section and click on Women, we can see our before and after images have been added. If we want to add before and after photos directly from our device, click on Add Photos to Gallery, then click Device and Next. Like before, we can upload an image pair or a single photo. We will start with an image pair. Let's give it a title. We will then pick the before photo from our computer. Once the before photo is open, we pick the after photo. Remember to click Complete after opening the after photo. As we can see, our before and after images have been added. We can click on one of these images to change the title or add a description. If you make any changes, remember to save your work. You can also add photos to the gallery directly from the mobile device, which you can learn more about in the help desk articles linked here. Thank you for watching the RxPhoto Gallery tutorial. We hope this guide helps you easily create and manage your photo galleries. For more support, please check our help desk articles.